Guys, welcome back to Tornadobro. I guess my dad just started to get me. So, you might be wondering, why is my dad in our school? He's doing a 1v1. The first one in front of me free wins. If I win, I get Robux. If my dad wins, I have to do the dishes. So, it started, I already won first place. So, I hope I get the win for Robux. And my voice is actually the John voice, so I beg you about a win. Wait, where is that? Where is it? Where is he? Oh, I can't get this suspicious feeling. Pulling out my knife. I'm gonna get the gun. So we were playing Energy Assault. Oh, no. Why? Nice. Finally, I got him. So, to not miss out, please hit that subscribe button and notifications. If this video gets to 1K likes, I will do my other cat reveal with my crazy dad. So, if this video does, I'll make a video of this. Also, I did a face reveal. Also, if you go to the community, I said it. I did a video. Oh, no. Oh, he's almost there. I gotta get him. Oh, go. Let's go. Yeah, Carly. Oh, no. You know, I heard that. Yeah, Carly lives on his computer. Which I'm terrible on computer, but he is. Oh, what was that? Oh, that was me. Also, my auto reload was fixed. So my dad saved the day. So now what I do is go to get some kills. Wait, what is this? Glue? Ooh. Shoot this. Let's do this. Oh, Daddy! Oh, there he is! Oh, there he is! Let's go!
Nobody else to let himself get backstabbed!
Yeet! My mom hates bananas. So if this video gets to 200K likes, I mean not 200, 2,000 likes, I'll make a video of my mom eating a banana. She hates them. I guess we both died. Okay, I got my bar. I wonder why that guy's called a bar. Oh, why did you get me? What? You know what? I'm going to speedrun mode. Oh boy! He's up here. Oh, make sure he doesn't. Oh! No! Curse you, Santa Claus. Now the reason why he's bald is because it's part of my game. Because he looks bald. Imagine if in real life you see a 02 bald in real life. Comment out what you
That guy was stupid enough to let himself get backstabbed!
Not relaxing. reaction. So let's go get it. Now back to the video. Also, this game's sponsor today is called Minecraft. Minecraft is a very fun online game. You play with friends and add friends. To add friends, you have to sign in.
That was juicy
And
right there.
you start with Steve or Alex. You don't have to log in, but if you want to add friends, you have to log in to Minecraft and log in to add friends. And it for any age. And you can also build stuff by going into the creative mode and beat the Ender Dragon and survival mode, getting tools, and even you can get game mode. You can pick some game modes and get new characters, create your characters, make them any way, just not inappropriate. Oh, let's go!
To let himself get backstabbed.
Now, back to the video. Now, go, 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 go! Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Oh! Are you kidding me? Are you sure? No! I'm not doing anything to the ground. He's got the banana gun. He's got that stupid banana gun. Bro, if John sees that, he'll go like, that's just a stupid banana. I just heard Santa Claus just going, oh! You didn't get the next guy. Boing! $395. $3.99. Are you kidding me? I wonder why bananas do that, because I'm about to go rob. 30 minutes later. Please, this is a robbery. Give me all your money. Oh, no! Thank you for the money. Now I'm a man. That's the police killing me. Are you sure about that? Boom! Free kill goes for it goes touchdown! TV shotgun. I get touchdown for 3 kills. It goes for the touchdown! Oh, I was pain right there. Oh, nope. I'm just gonna go to my room and to powder. Wait. Oh, yeet. I guess they both killed each other. Okay, I got the Henry rifle for an elimination. Are you sure? Oh, I seriously was going to hit him. Alrighty, crowd, let's go. Let me get some cheers. Is there literally a platypus there? Imagine if there's a parry the platypus kill effect. You could go like, parry the platypus. Yeet! Why did he dancing? Yeet!
To let himself get backstabbed!
He died. Oh, I got the most. Oh my! I got the most backstabs currently. Yeah, it's just me and my dad, and I'm crushing him. Where was he? Right there. Here are the Among Us colors. Eliminated by Tom Brady. Bruh, my dad's seriously Tom Brady. Oh no, no, the 3B shotgun.
Yeah, you got it right in the head!
Oh, I got revenge. Boom. What the? Oh, 141. Yo, that was a trick shot. I was about to do 360. 360. 360. Bro, I forgot to do a jump. I was pressing it. Bruh. I do not want to lose and do the dishes.
Yeah, you got it right in the head!
Let's go. Oh, I hate that gun. Oh, Z20s, Z80s next. You kidding me? Are you sure about that? It's time to stop. It's time to stop. From Tom Brady. Everybody give me a tomahawk chop. I'll keep on going for tomahawk chop. Whoa! I'll keep on going with tomahawk chop because I'm getting unlucky. Oh, he's dancing! It's my chance! It's my chance! Y'all keep going with tomahawk chop before I can win. Ethan, I want to hear the John go with the monkey. You didn't hear anything. Gonna give me this flaming fat boy. Oh wait, missed the barn. Gonna go 360. 360. Oh, he's on. He's on. Oh, die. He's on. Yes, he's on. Wait, what? How is he not dead? Oh no, he's got, oh no, Golden Gun's next for him. He's got the soul pistol. No. How can he stop him? Oh, that should be flag. But we're not gonna do C. Like Cristiano Ronaldo. I got a suspicious feeling. Oh no! Why am I boarding? Why am I boarding? Die! Yes! Sorry! He got there. Oh no, me and him are tied. Oh, what? I seriously hate him. Comment down if that should have been a hit. I'm begging you, please give me 1,000 subs. If you don't, I'm gonna scream like a monkey. I'm gonna scream like a gorilla if you don't. Until I'm 15 and then a point. Let's go! Okay, that's actually terrible. I do not want to.
Yeah, that's what I like to see. That's what I like to see.
Oh, it's not. Oh, it's a good knife battle. Last to get killed. First one to get killed loses. It's sudden death.
Outstanding. Those are some juicy kills, man.
Say something to the crowd. Filming this. Filming this. They're filming this. Now you owe me that Robux. Yup. I'll ask Mom. Alrighty, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe.